Hey guys, what's happening today? Today I'm going to show you guys, well, not technically show you, I guess, but I'll tell you just because I don't really feel like taking them down, but show you guys how you actually can make these. I did buy the two white ones on the end, right here and here, but I did make this one. So I just went to Michael's and I bought that black frame. Of course, it has a nice little matte frame around it. Looks really nice. And I had some of these agate slices that I really liked. And, I'd seen these at TJ Maxx and some stores, and they're starting to get pretty popular anyway. But I always kind of wanted to do it myself. I was like, that's so easy. I could do that, right? Trust me, you can. So just buy the frame that you want. Obviously, I still have the same backing paper on it and everything. And I got some of those little circle Velcro spots, the double-sided kind of sticky ones, where it's Velcro on one and it's the opposite side of the Velcro where it actually wants to grab onto. You could actually get those. I put those on the back of each agate piece and then one on the piece of paper behind it, slapped it on there so that it won't, it will stay in place. You didn't have to glue it. You didn't have to do anything like that. I'm sure double-sided sticky tape or some hot glue gun would work just fine, but I wanted to do something where I wasn't destroying the rock piece or anything like that. Not that it matters, but that's just me. Anyway, so other than that, you kind of get it, line it up in there, put the back on it, and it's no different than putting a picture frame in there, really, honestly, I swear to you. Other than that, that's how easy you can get that. If you got any other flat things you want in there, rocks, I don't know, people are, obviously butterflies or anything like that, you can actually do a display yourself if you wanted to. But just kind of wanted to show you that. You guys can make that in a heartbeat. Literally, just buy the frame, have the rock agate slices right there, a little bit of Velcro, and boom, slap it together. You can actually make that. Hope you guys like the video. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys.